Hi guys, so I'm back with a makeup tutorial which I haven't done in so long. I'm going to do a makeup look I did when I went to a party recently. I'm just using this Bulldog moisturiser, which is like a really quick, simple look. I wasn't at my house, so I had to like take makeup with me and I can only take a small amount. So this is like a makeup look that you can do with like not very much makeup, if you get what I'm saying. Maybe, possibly. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution foundation that I did a review on, and the review was kind of good, kind of bad, because I used the wrong setting powder and it made it like separate around my mouth. But I have used this solidly for a month and I loved it. I used a different powder and it worked amazingly, so if you get the right powder, this foundation is really good. This is my second tube. The first one lasted me about a month. It doesn't look like very much foundation in the actual thing, but it lasts about a month, so keep that in mind. I've actually got my mum to use it now. That's how much I like it. I have freckles at the moment, which I think are really cute, if I do say so myself. So I like to do my foundation around my freckles. So I'll literally just do this. So I have freckles here as well, so I'll just put them, and I have them on my nose, but I'll just put a little bit here, and then I put them on put it on my forehead, on my eyelids, and then I just leave these bits free because I want my freckles to show. I got a Makeup Revolution sponge, as per usual. Yeah, this foundation is really nice actually, and for £5, like, it's so worth it. Plus you can get it in Superdrug or Boots or whatever, so if you need a foundation that's quick and easy and cheap and you know where to get it from, that you don't have to order online, I definitely recommend this one. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer as well. I got the colour C1. I also have a dark concealer which is in the colour C13, which I like to use as like a liquid bronzer. So I just dot this. I've learned that if you put this too far down it just gets muddy around here, so you just put it up quite high and you do side at a time because it dries down really quick. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution sculpting brush to do this because I feel like it just works really well. So literally you just circular motions, blend it in, and it blends in so fast. I use my Kiko Invisible Touch powder, which I'm running out of. I really like this powder. I don't like it as much as my Kat Von D one that I had, which I've run out of. I like this powder, but if I could choose one, I'd choose the Kat Von D powder. Some powder bronzer on, shall we? This is the Emiway's Sunkissed Bronze Bronzer, which is kind of too orange for me, but I don't mind. It's got to be sort of light with how much you put on. But I feel like when I put bronzer on, it like really makes my freckles pop off of my face, which I think is cute. So I'm using Hustler Baby by Fenty Beauty, which is bloody amazing. Like, I was worried it was going to be too dark for me because I'm quite pale, but actually it's kind of perfect. I love it so much. Right, I'm going to put some blush on. I'm going to use this Natural Collection blush in Rosy Glow. Now, I'm a bit obsessed with blush at the moment. Again, I feel like it like accentuates my freckles, so I just go ham with it. So I just put it on my cheeks like a normal person. Yeah. But I put a lot on, and then I like to put some on my nose. Hear me out. It looks cute. And it like makes you look awake as well, like it just makes you look like fresh. Blush on the nose, just try it out, it's good. Okay, for my eyebrows, I need some advice from you guys again. I have this L'Oreal, I think it was called like, oh I don't know what it was called, but it's all the writing's rubbed off. And I bought this before I was vegan because obviously I wouldn't buy this anymore because it's L'Oreal and they test on animals and bleh. But I really like it. Basically it's like a tinted brow, not gel, it's just like a tinted brow, like, is it gel? No, it's not gel. how do I explain this? Why can't I find my words today? It's tinted and it's got little fibres in it. And I just love it so much. And I've been using it for ages and I'm running out. And I want to buy another product that's like this, but obviously I don't want to buy it from L'Oreal. So I'm just wondering if anyone knows of a product like this by a cruelty-free company, let me know. Oh, by the way, thank you all so much for watching my hair video. I know you guys like those the most, and I know they get the most views because my biggest video was me dyeing my hair multicoloured, and that's why I got so many subscribers, which I'm so grateful for. So I know that you love my dyeing my hair videos, and my latest one got really good views, so I'm very thankful. So thank you for watching it. Since that video, because if you watched the video, if you didn't, I'll put a little thingy so you can go and watch it. Since that video, I have dyed my hair again. I just didn't film it because what happened is, in the video I bleached new bits of my hair and they weren't white enough for the blue, so they sort of went a bit green. So I've sort of counteracted the green by dyeing the green bits purple for a little bit and then washing it off quickly and then dyeing over blue again, and it's worked. So if you're having that problem, just do that. Someone did tell me to do like dark pinks, so I did mix a little tiny bit of pink in with the purple dye, and I think that's like really what counteracted the purple, so thank you for that recommendation. So I told you this look requires not very many products, so I'm going to use this Soph times Makeup Revolution palette. Trust me, this video wasn't supposed to be like mostly Makeup Revolution things, it just turns out that way. But yeah, I'm just going to use a brown. I'm going to mix, I think, this one and this one, so like not a transition colour, like one darker than a transition colour. So it's Duo Fibre brush, is that what it's called? Yes. Duo Fibre brush from Real Techniques. This is like one of the brushes that I use the most on my eyes, just because you can use it for so many different things and I feel like it's just so good at blending. So yeah, I'm just going to run this through the crease, kind of messily, it doesn't really matter that much. Just making sure that it's blended. Oh, I should zoom you in, shouldn't I? I'll zoom you in. Whee! Okay, I have to refocus, so hopefully you're in focus, because I don't know, because I'm legally blind. Okay, so yeah. Right, so now we've got that colour on, I'm going to take just a slightly darker shade, so I think maybe this one. And wait, what did I just point to? This one. Okay. I couldn't even see what I was pointing to. Okay, I tap that a little tiny bit, not too much. And I'm just going to run that on the outside and in a little bit. Only a tiny bit. Like really carefully, because I don't want it to be too dark. I just want it to be like, to add a little bit of depth. Alright, and then I'm going to use those same eyeshadows on the bottom of my eye as well. This probably isn't the right brush to do this, but when I did this look I didn't bring many brushes with me, so I needed to make do. This is the face you pull when you're putting eyeshadow on. Okay. Not that complicated, is it? I'm going to take an eyeshadow that I freaking love, which is this Colourpop eyeshadow in the colour Mittens. It's one of their like little pot ones, what these called, Super Shock shadows. They're kind of like wet, but then when you put them on your eye they like turn into a powder, which is really cool. I'm going to use this Real Techniques fine liner brush that I've sort of messed up because I used it to put liquid latex on my face and I just can't get the liquid latex out of it, so I need to find a brush that will be better at putting eyeliner on than this one, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Through here, and I'm going to do a little brown liner. Now when you use this, oh no, when you use, I've chosen to use this eyeshadow because it, like, if you mess up you can literally just wipe it away with your finger. You don't have to get like your face wet or anything. You don't have to wipe off all the eyeshadow you've already put on. Because it's just powder, you just like swipe it away. Instead, like if I used a liquid lipstick, which I do like to use as liner sometimes, you'd have to like really fight to get it off if you messed up. But with this, it's just easy to fix. So yeah, that's why I recommend using one of these. You could probably do it with just a normal brown eyeshadow too if you wanted, if you didn't have this eyeshadow. Plus the line doesn't have to be that sharp because it's brown. I don't know why that makes it easier to use, it just is. And there you go, how quick and easy was that? Right, do they match? Yes, they do. Well done, Alice. I'm just going to dip my finger into this and apply this to my lower lash line as like eyeliner, because I do have a brown eyeliner but it's not the colour, it's not as warm as I'd like it to be, so this works better. Plus it obviously matches the eyeliner I've already done on top. And yeah, you can just do that. To be honest, I use eyeshadows as eyeliner all the time because I think it lasts longer. I don't know if I'm just gross. Now that I've got some like eyeliner on my waterline, I'm just going to go back into the browns that I used before and just make my bottom lash a tiny bit smokier. This is what I used, this is what I did when I went out the other day to a party, because I wanted it to be a little bit more dramatic. Like obviously if you just wanted this a bit more like daytime look, then you just don't make it as smoky as I'm making it. But yeah, I like the smoke. I like the smokiness. I might also just quickly make that a little bit darker. I'm going to curl my lashes. There's this makeup artist that I follow on Instagram who said that if you curl your lashes before you go to sleep and then obviously sleep on them, you wake up and your eyelashes are more curled and the curls stay all day or something like that. And I was just like, what? So I might do that, just like to test if it actually works. Is that a bit weird? I'm going to use my trusty Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. I love this mascara. Can never find a mascara that's better than this. It's so good. Plus, Kiko sell it for £3.60 or something like that every now and again. And when they do that, I bulk buy. Normally it's £8, but yeah, you can get it for £3. So I bulk buy it and then I never run out. And it's my favourite mascara. Now with this look, I really don't think it needs fake eyelashes with it. I did wear some fake eyelashes when I went out, but to be honest, they didn't really add much to the look. So I'm not going to do them for today. Right, I'm going to zoom you back out. Whee! Jamie Genevieve does that and it's so cute. There's two. Right, what am I missing? Lipstick. I use two lipsticks. I'm going to use this one from W7, which is a mega matte lipstick in the colour 2 Bob. Is that because it's £2? And then this Collection Velvet Kiss Moisturising Lip Cream in the colour Caramel 2. Putting the Collection one on first. Right, so now I've put that one on, I'm going to put this slightly lighter colour on top. I think that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed another makeup tutorial for me, which I haven't done in ages. I know this is like a super simple look, but it's just something that I like to wear at the moment. I think it like is easy, quick, it just goes with my face. I don't know how else to put it. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you want to see this face, and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to be notified when I upload, press the little, you already know this, like everyone's telling you to do it on YouTube, press the little notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye guys.